Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Bumble. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page we click on Bumble app, then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching and your